Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about AMP coin price prediction and AMP coin news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for AMP coin in 2022. AMP is described as the new digital collateral token offering instant, verifiable assurances for any kind of value transfer. Using AMP, networks like Flexa can quickly and irreversibly secure transactions for a wide variety of asset-related use cases. AMP claims to offer a straightforward but versatile interface for verifiable collateralization through a system of collateral partitions and collateral managers. AMP supports a wide variety of use cases for collateralization, and also introduces the concept of pre-defined partition strategies, which can enable special capabilities such as collateral models through which tokens can be staked without ever leaving their original address. The United Arab Emirates, UAE, is setting the stage for a push to attract crypto companies, as it looks to issue federal licenses for virtual asset providers, VASPs, by the end of Q1. A government official told Bloomberg that the country's Securities and Commodities Authority, SCA, is in the final stages of amending legislation to let VASPs set up shop in the region. The bloc contacted the SCA for comment and to clarify timings. The move follows a tie-up between crypto exchange Binance and the Dubai World Trade Center at the end of last year to help it establish a crypto regulatory framework. Binance said it would share its experience in collaborating with global regulators with a watchdog to spur on the development of progressive crypto regulations. United Arab Emirates, UAE, is setting the stage for a push to attract crypto companies, as it looks to issue federal licenses for virtual asset providers, VASPs, by the end of Q1. A government official told Bloomberg that the country's Securities and Commodities Authority, SCA, is in the final stages of amending legislation to let VASPs set up shop in the region. The bloc contacted the SCA for comment and to clarify timings. The move follows a tie-up between crypto exchange Binance and the Dubai World Trade Center at the end of last year to help it establish a crypto regulatory framework. Binance said it would share its experience in collaborating with global regulators with a watchdog to spur on the development of progressive crypto regulations. Payments giant MasterCard is reportedly expanding its consulting arm by offering services dedicated to crypto, open banking, and ESG. Data and services expansion announced on Tuesday. MasterCard announced this initiative focused on inducting the next stage of business evolution and enterprise growth. Considering the changing consumer preferences on a global level, rapid digital transformations, geopolitical shifts, MasterCard will now be introducing newer consulting services, including crypto and digital currencies, to its current preeminent payments-focused consulting services. Other practices included in the expansion are open banking, open data, and environment, social and governance, ESG. Crypto exchange Binance is the largest exchange in the world and one of the most widely used exchanges in Africa. It has found a market of loyal users in the Nigerian youth who have turned to crypto to combat growing unemployment and inflation rates in the country. Given this, the crypto exchange has founded a number of initiatives to help its customer base in the region to leverage crypto and its services. This time around, Binance has taken education straight to its users. The crypto exchange has begun hosting masterclasses across various university campuses in the country to teach people about crypto and drive adoption. Avi Fellman's eyes are glued to his trading screen, waiting for market-moving headlines that could be prime opportunities to put on a multi-million crypto trade. These past few weeks have been especially active for the portfolio manager, who joined crypto investment firm BlockTower in November 2019. Fellman, who co-leads the firm's flagship fund, navigated price gyrations stemming from macro and industry news, ranging from headlines that government officials recovered funds from Bitfinex's 2016 hack to more recent news that Russia could invade neighbor Ukraine. On this episode of The Scoop, Fellman explained the decision-making process that goes into making a trade on headlines, using reports that Russia was on the verge of invading Ukraine as one case study example. According to AMP Price Forecast and Technical Analysis, in 2022 AMP price is expected to cross the average price level of $0.041. The expected minimum price value of AMP by the end of this year should be $0.039. In addition, AMP may reach a maximum price level of $0.046. The upward trend was predicted solely based on the merits of AMP Viz. Safety and reliability. AMP is a digital collateral token that offers verifiable guarantees to ensure the transfer of value. The further impact on the prices of this collateral token can be seen based on the inflow of funds by financial institutions and investors of collateral tokens in the long term. Crypto is among the top 50 cryptocurrencies, and with this it will surely reach new heights. In light of the pandemic and the uncertainty surrounding it, the money segment has suffered greatly, bringing the deficit of nations to a phenomenally high level even for developed countries such as the United States. There is no sure cryptocurrency forecast for any of the existing cryptomonnaies, and therefore for the AMP forecast. Taking into account historical data and cryptocurrency markets, AMP is ready to confirm its strong position as the main attraction among its users, partners, and the community of traders. AMP can maintain a positive outlook while the price is trading with many bullish movements. The road ahead is full of pedals, provided that investment advice or confidence continues to grow, which leads to a strong push to the price, forcing it to cross all barriers in the amount of $0.097. AMP has created a fast, reliable ecosystem and works with the user experience of the product. These features can help the AMP coin get a much higher price of 11 cents per coin. If the quest for a functional AMP crypto world continues in 2023, the AMP price may even see a paradigm shift. And therefore, according to the AMP 2023 price forecast, it will be profitable to invest money in AMP at the current price in order to get a good profit in the future. Quite a lot of speculation is going forward for AMP, especially considering the technical achievements and rapidly developing sectors of progress that the corporation is targeting. There is a forecast that the AMP price may reach 14 cents. The advantage was made mainly due to security features and scalability. Exciting advertising businesses can do the rest by forcing users to collect profits. AMP functionality is carved by the masterminds. Over the next 5 years, the token will gain momentum with other cryptocurrencies to reach a price of 17 cents. For AMP, tremendous optimism is predicted mainly due to its stable performance over the next 4 years. Hence, traders should refer to our AMP forecast before investing in AMP. If the market becomes favorable, the AMP price will break down all barriers and work with excess, scaling the peak in the near future according to our forecast. Breaking all restrictions over the next year, the AMP token will undoubtedly show signs of good luck. Users can do their research and include AMP in their portfolio along with other AMP cryptography price prediction coins to make significant money in the near future. Relying on reliable smart contracts, the AMP price could easily touch 19 cents by the second half of 2026. According to price prediction, AMP has shown a good growth in trading volume and market capitalization by 2.42% over the past 24 hours. However, it is still difficult for him to get on board with other cryptocurrencies. In the previous 7 days, AMP experienced a price decline of about -10.15%. Although AMP has a solid foundation, we don't think it will be a profitable asset in the short term.